Actually, there are many examples in other countries of people believing that they were being deceived by animals in such similar situations. In England, for example, they use the expression monkey's birthday, whereas the Bulgarians say the bear got married. In parts of North Africa, they say the wolf got married. And in American English, there's the expression the devil is beating his wife. In South Korea, they say the tiger's wedding. People probably expressed their sense of disbelief at this very, very unusual and extraordinary natural phenomenon by relating it to mysterious or frightening animals. Let's now take a look at some other Japanese words related to rain with mystical, magical roots.
Amagoi. Japan was long an agricultural society, and rainfall was crucial. During dry spells, people prayed to the deities for rain. This custom still lives on.
Amagoi. Amagoi. Amagoi.
It wasn't only deities who brought rain. This is an ame onna, literally a rain woman. She is one of a number of supernatural spirits in Japanese culture called yokai, and was believed to use her special powers to bring rain. These days, a person thought to bring rain is known as a rain woman or a rain man. Do you know any? Or perhaps you're one?
Ame onna. Ame onna. Ame otoko. Ame otoko.
Another.
Yudachi. Yudachi. I love all the onomatopoeia related to rain. For example, para para, potsu potsu, za za. These beautiful sounding words suggest to me, at least, that the Japanese have a deep preoccupation with natural sounds and how to express these sounds in their language.
Listen to the sounds of rain expressed in Japanese. It begins with gentle drops.
Pots pots. Pots pots.
Then gets heavier.
Para para. Para para.
And even heavier.
Za za. Za za. Today, we introduced many words related to rain. From them, we can see the deep affinity to nature of the Japanese and also the great delicacy of their spirit. That's all for today. Goodbye till next time. Bye.